Health Secretary Francisco Duque III is on his way out of the cabinet. Special Envoy to China Mon Tulfo revealed this in his Manila Times column. Tulfo also revealed the reason behind the appointment of Dr. Leopoldo Vega to the DOH. Duque has been criticized for lapses in the government's response to the COVID-19 crisis. According to Tulfo's source, Duterte allowed Duque to stay on out of gratitude for supporting his presidential candidacy.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.